What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. This time I'm introducing to you guys, which I assume is like the first time you guys have ever seen the Camaro. And it's a new Camaro. It is a 1985 Chevrolet Berlinetta with all the options. It has the digital dash, 700R4, climate control on the dash, turn signals, hazards. Right now I have the battery disconnected, so you're not going to see anything. At first all of this wasn't on there. It's a complete roller. The body is ready for paint if I wanted to paint it, but it's not. This got to get sanded down because the car's going to be painted red. I put the bumper on and the lights on temporarily just to see if they work and everything. It's not bolted in, but it's on there pretty good. If I gap somebody and the bumper flies off, then that's that. I just have to come back and get it. Dash pad. If you guys know about third and fourth gens, their dash pads are really fucking terrible some of the times. Like, they crack. This thing is pristine. This is the second third gen I've had where the dash pad is not completely rocked. Bumper, the rear end and the hood is on the other side. So today, because I have gotten pretty far, the rear hatch motor does not work for some stupid reason, so I might have to do a rebuild kit on that. Right now I'm putting in the window felts. So I can put in the window. So yeah, with these, I wouldn't say they're a pain, but they are kind of tricky if you don't know what you're doing. So with these cars from 82 to 85 or 84, it came with number 8 sheet metal screws, Phillips, not hex, Phillips. So, and then with, I think 86 to 92, it came with 8 sheet metal screws, number 8 sheet metal screws, hex heads. These are 1/2 inch. I'm pretty sure you go with 3/8, but I just went with 1/2 inch. Because that's all they had, but this is basically the same thing. This is self-drilling. This is just a regular number 8 screw. I went to self-drilling, that way in case this hole is too small, drills itself out. So with these, it will be like, let me see if I can replicate it. Like, if it comes up again, I'll show you. Like right here is a good example. When this doesn't overlap on this, it's just gonna have water seep through it. So the best way to fix that is take a credit card and run it underneath the window stripping or the felt. It's kind of harder to do with one hand. And close the door. We're gonna guide it through. Pick up the window stripping up top. So you see, it's kind of a shitty job because it's not screwed. Here, there's 7 screws total. I think I got like 3 in. Yeah, so there's gonna be one right here. There's one right here. There is one right here, right here, right here, right here, and one all the way right here. Alright, I'm back. I got the window felt in. I tried to go along the top right here, but with the credit card, but as you see, one side does it, sticks on there really well. The other side, he used more persuasion. Probably had to bend it more, like before I had installed it, lift it up a little bit. But it's on there. It should still be a tight seal. Underneath, it'll be fine. And now I can put in the side mirror, resolder it because they cut it actually. So the next thing I am going to do is I'm gonna possibly, because the way I'm looking at it, I can probably put the window in, and drop this down, drop the window all the way down. That way I don't have to put the side mirror in first and I can just put the window in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try doing that. I'll come back if that works. So what's like it's like hours to me, it's like seconds to you guys. So I got the window in. That's the good part. Now to put the rivets in, I can't put them in because the other rivet gun is too small. Stupid thing doesn't want to stay open. Now, this rivet gun was too small. The hole for it was, you guys see that? This little hole is too small for the rivet, which is GM's standard peel rivet. Fits in there perfectly. The main problem is the fact that I bought the rivet gun that it needs. Oh shit, I need it. This big, long, heavy duty one. As you can see. But the problem with this is I can't get, if I can peel the track back to right here, I can put it in, zap, zap. Same thing for right here. Scoot it forward, get the rivet, boom, it's in there. The other door. I checked the forms and everything on basically how they installed this. Some people use speed nuts, the other people use rivets. But I'm really tempted to just use speed nuts and call them one. I feel so defeated, man. Like once I got these windows in, I could put the doors back and then I can like start working on like taking that up in the center console to get it ready for the manual swap. Oh, and I had the solder back on the windshield or the side mirror. I'm sad, bro. Like this supposed to be productive, a productive day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break for a little while. And it'll be like a couple minutes for me, it'll be like instant for you guys. So I'll be back.
Day 2.
What's up, guys? I'm back. Yeah, it actually wasn't hours, it's been a whole day. I have on my work clothes and we're gonna go back to, so I ended up saying fuck it with the mirrors, but I got the door hinge, the door hinge springs in. As you can see, they're kind of a pain to get in. So with these, you actually have to take off the fender in order to get them out. Yeah, you do that. So in order to get to the spring for the hinge pin, you have to take off the fender so you can put the tool in while the door is closed. And but behind here, as you can see, they open and they stay open and they don't work as a guillotine anymore. Next, I have to try to figure out how to pull this track back so I can either put a speed nut or rivet in there. I want to use the rivets because I have those. I want to adjust this weather stripping right here because I should be able to like bend this up a little so it can smack over around right here, but it's fine for right now. I'm going to be taking out everything in the back so that way I can take off this Latch pull down motor. When it comes up, here's my needs and wants list. Always make sure you have one of these. Rear brake calipers, not bake. Front and left. Timing chain cover kit. My cracked fog lamps, which I need to get new ones. I don't really like the way those look anyway. And this back is a Phillips screw. It's only being held on by a Phillips screw. It's be a Phillips screw, a trim screw right here. The other one, it was 2 of them. And then this, I'm pretty sure should be another screw right here. And then this is a trim screw that sits right here. I gotta take it out from right there, but this is a trim screw that sits right there. It's stuck inside right here. Yeah, Phillips. Yeah, know the other side's looking dirty too after Morrow like, went ahead and cleaned it for me like a champ. You're a good friend. You guys, but like, it's the best seeing how I have all this stuff over here, and it wouldn't make any sense to put you guys anywhere else. Once you can't really see. Then there's a little clip for a lamp. It's not going to work. Right now, we have the ground that goes up to the... Is this the reverse switch? Pretty sure it's connected to the reverse switch. Looks like it. That might be what's wrong. But right now I have it disconnected right here. Oh shit, wrong one. Right here and right here. Disconnect the motor. But I think the best way to go about doing that is unbolting this from here. That way I can also get a better look at what's going on and why is this not working. 10. Yeah, just about every single metric size on here, GM use a 10. Trying to, so it's loosening. Rookie mistake number 1. Always, always, always make sure you take reference photos so you don't forget where things go. Now we can take it apart. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out, like, I'm trying to get, because I did order some stickers, they're just tests to see like how they would look and everything. They are SSC stickers. Trying to figure out like how they'll look and whether or not I'm gonna put them in production to be selling for merch. The stickers will be $5 a pop. Yeah, stickers would be like $5 a pop, or like $3 or something like that. Nothing crucial. That way it's still affordable. Oh shit. That way it's still affordable and people can obtain one without it breaking their bank and being like unreasonable. Because like they're only stickers, so they don't need to be that expensive. Okay, yeah, so basically what I think is the problem is, because right now it's disconnected from right here. So I think the problem is when the latch comes down, it has to hit in between here. So it hits this and it hits this switch right here. And this is which should activate the pull down, which then, wait, does it? Yeah, because the pull down is right here. Yeah. Well, yeah, because I don't know, man. Like, this one's completely different from most of the normal ones that I've seen. Like, this is the pull down with the pull down motor. This motor spins and sucks it down from here after it hits this trigger button. So it sits in between here. It sits down in here where it then latches, and then it's supposed to suck it all the way down. It's not. So I think it's this motor that's having a problem, but I'm not sure. So I think I'm just going to get the rebuild kit for it. But right now I'm taking it off so that way I can look at it more. But that's what I think. Or it could be this. This is the reverse switch that's inside of it. Is it? Yeah, there's a reverse switch that's inside of it, and that shit is like $170 something. So could be that. Well, I'll get back to you guys when I've had more progress. But yeah, I'm just doing my outro right here since there's light. But yeah, I have the bag. I'm gonna go order a rebuild kit or a new motor, and that's the end of the video. Deuces.